Ang susunod na programa ay Rated G. Ito ay pwede sa lahat ng manonood.
If there were no words, no way to speak of time, you're all I need, my love, my all of my life, I have been waiting for all you give to me. You've opened my eyes and shown me how to love unselfishly. I've dreamed of this a thousand times before, but in my dreams I couldn't love you more. I will give you my heart until the end of time. You're all I need, my love, my And even if the sun refused to shine, even if romance ran out of wine, you would still have my heart until the end of time. 'Cause all I need is you, my Valentine. You're all I need, my love, my until the end of time. You're all I need.
Maayong gabi kanatong tanan. Welcome sa atong panag-uban atong espesyal nga presentasyon karon. Salamat sa panag-uban kanato. Happy Valentine's kanatong tanan. Happy Valentine's sa mga mga uyab. Og happy Valentine's food sa mga daghang kaayog uyab. Sama ni Ronald Permijo dia. Maayong gabi dia, bay. Daghan kay ni uyab ni si Abay Ronald Permijo. Shout out nimo dia. Kinsa man to diha pag andam na mo para tagana og mapuhon sa mga tawag na to ani mga kasugbo nga adlaw sa gugma. Pero sa uban ang gugma kada adlaw kuno ang gugma. Daghan kaayo dihang salamat da bii diha day tan Inday Chuti, daghan kayong salamat nimo diha. Kumusta man ang mga buwak na to diha, wa nangalarag. Kadtong wa pa diha naka kuan kinini ang wa pa nakakita og mga buwak nga mga mahalon, di na usong mga mahalon nga buwak karon. Ang kuan kuno kanang pwede na kunog ka ng mga utot-utot. Mga utot-utot nga buwak mao karon ay uso karon mga higala kasugbo. Onyas. Hashtag na nagkuan. Pero ang uban karon nga nag-edad na og kininiyang edad na og 40 ngadto sa 50 60, lahi na na ilang himuong buki. Kuha na mga utanon. Ay himuon nilang buki o sa kapungpong nga kamunggay. Onya butangan po nag mga orange-orange. Butangan na og kining niyang carrots. Muna na bugkoson nila mga kasugbo. Palihog ko og pangita sa ako banadong wala man mutawag nako oy. Sige lang. Atensyon dia shout out ni Dodong Reben ang asa kuno dapit na himutang. Pero dai chote kay ba ko asa to. Nangita to nang laro tog mga buwak dito sa eskwelahan. Wasing nanguha tog buwak sa santan og di gani buwak sa otot-otot. Nato'y surprise inikabot nimo. Kining mga edara na mga 40 ngadto sa 60. Malipay na kita tagaan tag buwak nga buwak bitaw sa kuan. Buwak sa antuwanga, kaila ba mo buwak sa antuwanga? Kana bitang iyang dahon-dahon himuon mo nag duwaan man na sa zona. Welcome di ay mga higala sa atong 5,000 kabuk viewers intan. Salamat kay sa 5,000 nga viewers. Salamat, happy Valentine's sa inyong tanan. Kini ato nga program para gini sa mga wa na in love o sa kanang na in love pod. Kinsa may wa na nga in love diha karon mga higayuna higala. Bahala na kuno og gi uwanan ta sa pagsuway sa mga COVID, mga virus, mga higala. Pero di gyud mabugto ang paghinigugmaay. Ang kining Valentine's pagkuana ni para nato tanan ang Valentine's kay kada adlaw gyud Valentine's. Pero maulay naghimo na tong special karon kay gitagaan gyud og gahin. Bisan nagkalisod, bisan og nagkamang-kamang tag pasingot kada adlaw mga higala. Pero kining adlaw sa Valentine's ug mapuhon mao ginay pinaka-special. Magbaha ang mga cake. Dito sa Carbon akong nakitaan ganay mga higala kasugbo nga nagkadaiya na lang nga mga buwak dito gi presenters dan. Mahal ra ba kay mga buwak ron? Pero uban bahala nagmahal kuno pero basta lang kay naay ikadalit sa ilang hinigugma. Ang ako diri mga higala, akong gibuhat nagkuha kog puso sa saging. Maoy akong giputos. Ako taong asawa wa kahibaw. Ay lang mong saba og nagtan-aw sa karon. Anak kahibaw na to. Happy Valentine's inyong tanan diya sa nagtan-aw nato og sa wala nagtan-aw. Og shout out sa tanan. Kumusta man atong pakigbisog sa usa ka simanang kayod? Kumusta? Akong shout out diha tanan sa atong mga kahigalaan sa samtang naglakaw-lakaw tas atong panagsuroy-suroy. Shout out diha sa nila ni Inday Ria Lamo o sa iyang kapikas nga hinigugma. Nila ni Ray Bernard Lamo o ni Ma'am Nanette. Happy Valentine's ninyong tanan diha. Sa way mga uyab. Sa nay mga uyab. Sa katong nangita pa kuno. Kinsa may wa pa nakabuok diha og sudlanan og mapuhon. Adto lang mo sa kasa, mas dako pag lugar. Dako kayo og lugar ang kasa mga higala kasugbo. Og ni Ronald Permijo pa nag-inusara ra ba ko diri bay? Ayaw kumpiyansa na mag-inusara diha dong kay basin og kanang papitlan ka diha og kuan kanang tiki narabad diha tiki basta mag-inusara ka. Happy Valentine's po nimo diha day og ni Dodong Riben from Tansuti Chutitan. Kumusta man diha ang tanang taga Atabay? Happy Valentine's Day ni Boss Florencio.
Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know by now how much I love you. The one that changed my whole life.
Sa wa pa diha naka-share o wa pa naka-like sa atong fan page na to, palihog kog pisit-pislit diha mga igala. Oo.
For all those times you stood by me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy,
Adlong Sabado,
all the wrong,
pizza 3C ning buwan sa Pebrero
for every dream you made,
2021 mga higala.
all the
Usa ka selebrasyon ug mapuhon, usa ka lahugay sa panaghigugmay.
love,
Klaro kayo ning mga tag 50 nga mga balay paabangan mga higala murag si pareha gyud sa bisan nagkalisod nagka-COVID ron maningkamot gihapon sila sulod niya ng balay paabangan mga higala. Ang uban lagi mga higala kuno na ako'y na istorya magpaabot lagi kuno kung naay mahuman sa 3 ka oras. Maghuwat na daan kuno sa hagdan. Unsa mo na ka tinuod Ronald Permijo?
you gave me faith 'cause you believe I'm everything I am because you love.
Happy Valentine's Day nimo Mano Joseph Bersaga. Salamat kayo. Mano unsa ato segment karon? Atong segment karon mano kiniray kong mga kuan laylays mga paghinigugmaay ni mano. Mga love song kuno kay pre-Valentine special kuno ta karon. Ato lang sa ning ipasupot ning mga kanang love song nga mga sonata. Na isa sa istoryahan na to og kuan mga
I'm grateful for each day you gave me.
ila ko nung mga
Baby, I don't know
na experience mga miaging mga Valentine's Day.
as much as
Maayong pagtanaw nimo diha si akong kumpare nga Anyano Sales. Shout out nimo diha pre. Kini-kinos Ronald Permijo. Usahay ko no adto sagdan magpaabot ko no kay usaon niya pulibok man kuno ning uban nga mga balay paabangan. Unya ang iya kuno gibuhat. Iya kuno gibuhat mga higala kasugbo kay wag huwat kuno siya bayran ko niya daan dito sa ubos unya bahala kuno maglingkod kuno siya partner das hagdan basta lang kay magka linya lang kuno. Kung sa una kita tinuod by Ronald, bay pa sa taot ko diha sa akong manghod diha sa Talisay, Cebu. Kinsa may pangaan anak niya bay atong ikuana ipa
that in the dark
pahibaw na to nas kahangin nagkinsa na siya.
into my life. You've been my inspiration through the lies you weren't true. My world is a
Mga higala kasugbo nindot gyud ana ko kuan ba na lang ko kuan ninyo kay mahal-mahal mang buwak karon. Na may daghan ato mo lasang bitaw kasagbutan na daghan kadina di amor dito nindot man po nagbuwak. Nindot nga pink ug color ba. Unya hugaw-hugawan po nag mga santan. Nga tangag kalatsotse pipila ka lugas. Nindot na kayo moro nag special po kayo nga buke ba. Sa kanto lang way mga kuan. Sa kanto lang wala kayo budget ba tungod sa kapit o sa panahon karon.
Because you love me.
Shout out ko niya, Happy Valentine's ni Roel Muñez. Gikan ka na sa imong pinalangga nga igsoon, Ronald Permijo. Diha nahimutang sa Talisay, Cebu. Happy Valentine's inyong tanan.
I'm everything I am because you love me. Oh, I'm everything I am.
With tearfully recall
Love me.
what matters most is that we love it all.
Okay sa kang Ronald Permijo mga higala kasugbo kay kipi-kipi ko no.
We had to give to fall.
Kipi-kipi ko no ihatag ba pobre mantaron. Pwede kay nagkipi-kipi oy kanindot na nagkipi-kipi. Oh. May nagkipi-kipi kay kuan inig mura na sa bitaw babae nga wa pa hikape nga inighikap mo kipot kunog maayo. Happy Valentine's Day sa atong couple nga arangka kuan. Kini ni ang arangka sweet kaayos tanan ya. Grabe ilang panahigugmaay ba. Kanang pilit pas bikos lite. Shout out diha ni Guapo Ria og ni Boss Gilbert. Ilang pagminahalay pilit pas bikos lite mga higala. Happy Valentine's ninyong duha diha.
Lonely table just for one
Okay, baili sa tanan mga higala.
in a bright and crowded room. While the music has begun.
Sa nag-prepare pa diha sa ilang mga buwak. Gwapo ayay kapilit man jud wa ang anga. Why ang dili ang angon ato. Diha tanan taga akong yutang natawhan. Happy Valentine's sa tanan. Ako shout out diha sa bagong nag-opening sa ilang grand opening sa ilang Max and Aurea nga signal diha sa lungsod sa Hilongos ba na or sa Bato. Nag-grand opening sila mga higala. Salamat kayo sa inyong kanunayong pagkuyog-kuyog ni Tay Teroy mga higala.
And even if the words are not so tender, she would always remember the way it used to be. Friends stop by and say hello, and I laugh and hide the pain. It's quite easy to let go. Then the song begins again. So play the song the way it used to be. Before she left and changed it all to sadness. And maybe if she's passing by the window, she will hear a love song and the melody. And even if the words are not so tender, she will always remember the way it used to be.
Okay, mo katoy awit pahinungod nato sa atong kuan Valentine's pre-special Valentine's special mga igala.
Of green, red roses too. I see them blue for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue, clouds are white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They really saying, I love you. I hear babies crying, I watch them grow. They learn much more than I ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Okay, mga higala, mayong gabi na sab. Bye, pa shout out ko diha sa akong mga classmate nga si Gilbert og si Ria og Nanette. Happy Valentine's daw gikan ni Ronald Permijo. Og salamat sad kaayo pagtanaw nimo diha, girl. Happy Valentine's, girl. Og hi ni Miss Grace. Happy Valentine's advance. Happy Valentine's kuno ni Miss Grace. Kinsa ka ni Miss Grace? Grace Mission daw. Salamat kayo. Akong ingnon dire kay murag nagpahipi-hipi ni dire. Happy Valentine's nimo dia. Biolimi Pacquiao. Ang ato kayong fans kanunay. Mura ni siya si Ami Perez sa Showtime, mga higala. Padayon ta mga higala sa ato mga sunatan pa pre-Valentine special.
Ever a surprise, ever as before, never just as sure as the sun will rise. Whoa, certain as the sun
certain as the sun.
rising in the east.
Tale is all this time, song was all
that's right.
beauty and the beast. Tale is all this time,
Song is all that's right. Beauty and
and the
Okay, mga higala, ako ding i-shout out niya sila si Gail Balduisa Witty og si Julian Popular Vizcara og sa akong pamangkin nga gibunyaga na gyud taon ganiha. Welcome sa Koan. Welcome sa Christian World. Ni Jilly Remedios, salamat kayo. Chuk Pilot. Nindot kayo inyong mga hulagway kaganiha. Og happy birthday day ni Ma'am Annabel Ramos. Hello, happy birthday day ma'am. Happy Valentine's Day. Oo. Salamat kaayo ma'am. Happy birthday, happy Valentine's.
I told myself when you smiled at me, this time it's gonna be forever. I didn't know you would hurt me so, but from the very start, 'cause you are the one who would break my heart. 'Cause I was looking for someone to love, and oh, the heartaches I found. I was looking for someone to love, but you were just looking around. You led me
Sa wa pa diha naka-like og share sa atong fanpage mga higala. Kalingawali na nagpislit niya. Happy birthday day sa akong amigo o batchmate nga engineer, Renaldo Senisa. Happy birthday nimo diha, Dodong. Samang tuba na Dodong nga, iyab mo na diha.
same. You turn it around and you made it a game. 'Cause I was looking for someone to love, and all the heartaches I found. I was looking for someone to love, but you were just looking. I was looking for someone to love, and all the heartaches I found. I was looking for someone to love, but you were just looking around. Whoa, I was looking for someone to love.
Okay mga higala, hawak ito itong mga anindot kayo nga mga special sonata kining gabi na. Shout out yan ni the master, the guitar man, Elmer Mariachi. Atong pakpakan. Iya ko nung i-shout out katong Collector's Kirubin. Kay iya ko na tong idol kaayo. I was looking for someone to love, ma'am. Nay daghan, mer. Pagandam landaan diha og kuan usa ka bugkos nga alugbate. na pakapini na og kuan usa ka bugkos nga saluyot.
I toss and turn, can't sleep.
Happy Valentine's
It's worry.
to Lord Dizon og sa tanang taga GDSM marketing nila ni Grace, nila ni Julius or aka Julia, nila ni Abby, nila ni GM, nila ni Ma'am Jackie Montes, Joy. Daghan kayong salamat. Happy Valentine's inyong tanan, mga gwapa.
Please don't ask me why I'm so in love with you. You could easily make me happy, that I know, but I try my best to never tell you so. I will sing to you my love songs and pretend that I keep my secret right down to the end. Please don't ask me why I'm not talking, I just can't explain. And please don't ask me why I go walking out in the rain. I could not leave the light it would take to have you near would be a mistake. Please don't ask me why I'm so in love with you. No, please don't ask me. Two old friends meet again, wearing older faces, and talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know?
Para ni
They meet again, never need.
Ronald Permijo nga nag-inusara ko, no? Pasensya kayo ta doon kay di ta kapatukar og kinini ang lagkaw nga imong gi-request nga lagkaw kay ang lagkaw nahimo na yung guan, nahimo ng payag ang lagkaw doon.
He's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. It's the same old feeling back again. Hear the one that they have back when they were too young to know when love was real. But somehow some things will never change, and even time hasn't cooled the flame. It's burning even brighter than it did before. It got another chance, and if they take it, maybe this time it will be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. She's smiling like she used to smile way back when. She's feeling like she used used to feel the way back when they tried, but something kept him waiting for this magic moment. Maybe this time it will be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time, love won't end.
Okay, mga higala, mo ito yung mga sonata nato nga pangkapauyog kasing-kasing sa mga nakatug nga mga paghigugma, mga higala. Oh, mo ito yung makapauyog. Nasa ika laing sonata, mga higala, nga sobra pas uyog. Mukubkob ug mo tayog mayo, mga higala.
But take us out to sea
Okay ra ba? No problems daw. Thank you kayo.
forever.
Thank you kayo ni Muda Ronald Tutoy Permiho. Paminaw na la sonata nga kapauyog si mong kasing-kasing dia.
And you can be with me. Knit the waves through the caves of us. Love forgotten now. We're all alone, all alone. Close the window, calm the lights, and it will be
Okay. Itinag Omal Ronald Permiho. Hi daw. Kalimot nako nimo. Pag ila-ila sa magbalik diha kay classmate man kuno mo, kamo kuno dikoy sa una. Federico Pornes, Ronald Permiho, Gilbert Witty og si Ria og si Dorfred kuno. Kamo kuno mga classmate matod pa. Happy Valentine's ni mo diha, Ma'am Nanette. Og sa imong hinigugmang nga kapika si Patrick Garcia. Pangumusta ko, Happy Valentine's ni akong buutan kayong amigo dia ni Tigol. Mayong gabi ni mo dia. Kumusta man na itong buwak sa Antuanga dia, nabugkos na ba?
close the window, calm the lights, and it will be alright. No need to bother now. Let it out, let it all begin. As forgotten now. We're all alone, all alone. Close the window, calm the lights, and it will be alright. No need to bother now. Let it out, let it all begin. Oh, it through the wind, my love. Hold me dear.
Happy Valentine's ni mo diha og maadzong gabi ni mo diha, Tigol. Bernard Lamo. Akong suod kay higala nga artista ni dito mo na Patrick Garcia ni ngadto sa amo mga higala kasugbo. Happy Valentine's po ni Ate Ginalen Mission. Salamat kayo te. Happy Valentine's din mo diha og ni Kuya Miguel og ni Inday nga cute kaayo. Okay, mga higala mo katoy usa nako ka awit. Maayo ang ano kung mao gyud to atong kwan. Mao gyud to ato bitawng kinining ang tingog. Kumusta naman ang tanan? Nakapabuking na ba ugma pohon kay kuan ko no, polybok ko no kaayo? Di nagligid-ligid samtan nagtan-aw nimo Tigol. Salamat kayo Tigol. Nagligid-ligid ko no si Tigol unya nagtanday-tanday po ginagmay. Gi-advance ko no lang celebrations Valentine's. Kay para ugma ko no gamay na lay kuwang. Hala. Pag ligid-ligid mo diha og pag nindot mo buhat rong syakoy rong alas 12 gabi
Wanna love you longer. You still turn the fire around. So if you're feeling lonely, don't. You're the only one I ever want. I only wanna make it good. So if I love you a little more than I should, please forgive me. I know now what I do. Please forgive me. I can't stop loving you. Don't deny me this pain I'm going through. Please forgive me. I need you like I do. Please believe me. The word I say is true. Please forgive me. I can't stop loving you. Still feels like the best times are together. Feels like the first touch. Still getting closer, baby. Can't get close enough. Still holding on. Still number one. I remember the smell of your skin. I remember everything. I remember all your moves. I remember you, yeah. I remember the nights, now I still do. So if you're feeling lonely, don't. You're the only one I ever want. I only wanna make it good. So if I love you a little more than I should, please forgive me. I know now what I do. Please forgive me. I can't stop loving you. Don't deny me this pain I'm going through. Please forgive me. I need you like I do. Oh, believe me, every word I say is true. Please forgive me. I know that I'm loving you. One thing I'm sure of.
Pertoy nakakatawa ni kuan mga higala sa akong amigo og buotan og gwapo pagyud kayo. Si Re Bernard Lamo. Kinom daw ni kanta sa una bitaw Tigol nga katong magbuhat-buhat patag bayli-bayli bitaw nya kitay mo kanta nya atong plakahan bitaw dahon sa nangka. No, kinom daw ta na. Bitaw sa unang mga panahon. Ronald Permiho, paibog-ibog jud ang uban diha. Manguha na lang kog tangkong ilang sane tumik. Ilang tumik. Pa-request nya Tigol. Naay unsa ni Bicant You by Basil Valdez. Okay Tigol. Ato na ipasupot Tigol. Manguha lang ko ng tangkong dito sa ilang tumik ni Totoy. Kaya may lang ko na makapalit og papel og kwaderno. Hindi ka niyang Lunes pohon.
Somebody lied to me. It just can be, it can't be gone forever. Somebody got it wrong. You were gonna love me all my life. We're good together. Now I'm on my own. I don't think I'll ever learn to live one day alone. So I'm never gonna say goodbye. Say goodbye. There's something I can bring myself to do. So I'm never gonna say goodbye. Darling, I know the part of me will always be with you. What am I gonna do? Having you is all I've ever wanted. Wanted. Where am I gonna go to feel the way I felt inside your arms? Still my life is better loving you as I do. Thanks for being with me, darling. Thanks for being you. So I'm never gonna say goodbye. Say goodbye. Something I can bring myself to do. 'Cause as long as I don't say goodbye, darling, I know the part of me will always be with you. For as long as I don't say goodbye, something I can bring myself to do. 'Cause as long as I don't say goodbye, darling, I know the part of me will always be with you. With you.
Okay, mga higala kasugbo. Salamat kayo sa pagpadayon ninyong panagkuyog kanato ning gabion na. Okay, salamat kayo sa inyong pagkanunayon og nagpabilin gihapon nga nagtan-aw kanato sa pasundayag. Nay usa ka request mga higala para kini sa atong amigo nga gwapo kayo. Usa ka request. Special number. Happy Valentine's sa tanan! From Tay to Roy. Mabati ta sa 69.9 Style FM.
You give me hope, the strength, the will to keep on. No one else can make me feel this way. And only you can bring out all the best I can do. I believe you turn the tide and make me feel real good inside. You pushed me up when I'm about to give up. You're on my side when no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears can't help but show. You break this heart and tear it apart. Then suddenly the madness starts. It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. The sweet little lies that stare at me and make me say I'm with you through all the way. 'Cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you see when I know I've got you with me.
Okay, hinahinay na mo panood.
Push me up.
Hinahinay na mo panood kay libre na anggit mga igal.
Give up.
Open na anggit para sa bailis
On my
tanan.
side when no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears can't help but show. Break this heart and tear it apart. And suddenly the madness starts. It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. The sweet little lies that stare at me and make me say I'm with you through all the way. 'Cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. Changes everything you see when I know I've got you with me. It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. The sweet little lies that stare at me and make me say I'm with you through all the way. 'Cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. Changes everything you see when I know I've got you with me.
Daghan ka jog salamat Tigol kay imo jud giuna ang request makasadyaw man sadta ani Tigol. Pag sayo-sayo dia Tigol kay okay kayo nang kuan may na ito mga request ato ginang unahon kay pinalangga kay na natong atong mga viewers. Pag baile na mo dia Tigol. Bailehin na dia.
Just smile for me and let the day begin. You are the sunshine that lights my heart within. I'm sure that you're an angel in disguise. Come take my hand and together we will ride on the wings of love. Up and above the clouds, the only way to fly is on the wings of love. On the wings of love, only the two of us together flying high. Flying high upon the wings of love. You look at me and I begin to melt, just like the snow when a ray of sun is felt. I'm crazy about you, baby, can't you see? I'd be so delighted if you could come with me. On the wings of love, up and above the clouds, the only way to fly is on the wings of love. On the wings of love, only the two of us together flying high. Flying high upon the wings of love. Yes, you belong to me. I'm yours exclusively. Right now we're living, greet each other. Inseparable it seems. We're flowing like a stream running, free flowing on the wings of love. On the wings of love, up and above the clouds, the only way to fly is on the wings of love. On the wings of love, only the two of us together flying high. Together flying high. On the wings of love, up and above the clouds, the only way to fly is on the wings of love. On the wings of love, only the two of us together flying high. Flying high upon the wings of love. Of love.
Ay, by Ronald Permiho, bay. Pag-greet ko diha sa akong classmate na nag-birthday karon, Richie Bienes. Happy birthday nimo diha, Inday Richie Bienes. Timing kayo ang birthday sa imo gyud nga tawhan. Daghan kayong salamat nimo diha, Dodong Ronald Totoy. Totoy Bato. Padayon ta sa atong mga kalingawan.
Ngayon at kailanman, sumpa ko'y iibigin ka. Ngayon at kailanman, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Ngayon at kailanman, sa hirap o ginhawa pa, asang may kasama ka, sinta. Naruroon ako tuwi na maaasahan mo tuwi na, ngayon at kailanman. Dahil kaya sa'yo nang maitadhanang ako'y isilang sa mundo, upang sa araw-araw ay siyang makapiling mo, upang ngayon at kailanman ikaw ay mapaglingkuran. Hiran, bakit labis kitang mahal? Sa may kapal, higit sa aking buhay. Sa bawat araw ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo liyan, lalong tumatamis, tumitingkad. Bawat kahapon ay daig nitong bawat ngayon. Malilimot ka lang kapag ang araw at bituin ay di na matanaw, kapag tumigil ang daigdig at di na gumalaw. Subalit isang araw pa matapos ang mundo'y magunaw na, hanggang
Totoy, Totoy ba to? Ikaw, nabakuno kay ngayon at kailanman. Matod pa ni Dodong Philip nga akong amigo. Nabakuno kay ngayon at kailanman. Kumusta man imong gabiin nimo diha? Nagpabilin nga no, nag-inusara, magkaasam na imong mga kuan day, mga kaubanan nga matag Sabado man mo magsigi og kanang kuyog-kuyog. Asa mo na yung mga higala na to? Padayon ta mga higala sa atong mga sonata ng atong Valentine's Day Special o Banitay Tiroy o sa 69.9 Style FM.
When a man loves a woman, can't give his mind on nothing else. He'd trade the world for the good thing is found. If she is bad, he consents. She can do no wrong. Turn his back on his best friend if he puts her down. When a man loves a woman, spend his very last of time trying to hold on for what he needs. He gave up all his comforts, sleep out in the rain. If she say that's the way it ought to be, yeah. When a man loves a woman, hey, I'd give you everything I got. Oh yeah. Try to hold on to your precious love. 'Cause baby, baby, please don't treat me bad. When a man loves a woman, deep down in his soul, she can bring him such misery. If there's blame for a fool, he's the last one to know. Love and ice can never see. It's when a man loves a woman, I know exactly how you feel. 'Cause baby, ooh, when a man loves a woman, oh, when a man loves a woman, hey,
May iyaro to by Totoy og kuan kanang usa ka baso, usa ka bowl nga bahal. Kay grabe kanta di na ko mahupit kinindota kantahan yun. Oh, mga higala, kumusta mo diha? Napamo ba mo diha? Ha? Maayong pagtanaw-tanaw na to diha. Salamat kayo sa kanunayong pagtanaw nimo diha. Akong Dodong Totoy Ronald Permiho. Salamat kayo ni sa panagkuyog. Oh, kitang duha ani mag one-on-one ta karog. Tagig bahal. Sige say mga loro na tong duha ani. Okay. Tay Tiroy, Pre-Valentine's Special. Dugong sa 69.9 Style FM.
fire that burns through the wind and rain. Shine your light on this heart of mine till the end of time. You came to me like the dawn to the night, just shining like the sun. Out on my dreams and into my life. You are the one, you are the one. Said I loved you, but I lied. 'Cause this is more the love I feel inside. Said I loved you, but I was wrong. This love could never ever feel so strong. Said I loved you, but I lied. With all my soul, I've tried in vain. How can mere words, my heart explain this taste of heaven, so deep, so true, I found in you. So many reasons and so many ways, my life has just begun. Yeah, need you forever, and I need you to stay. You are the one, you are the one. Said I loved you, but I lied. 'Cause this is more the love I feel inside. Said I loved you, but I was wrong. This love could never ever feel so strong. Said I loved you, but I lied. You came to me like the dawn to the night, just shining, shining like the sun. Out on my dreams and into my life. You are the one, you are the one. Said I loved you, but I lied. 'Cause this is more the love I feel inside. Said I loved you, but I was wrong. This love could never ever feel so strong. Said I loved you, 'cause this is more the love I feel inside. I said I loved you, but I lied.
Okay, mga higala. Kumusta mo diha? Giganahan mo sa mga tukar na to nga kuan? Makapauyog sa mga dughan. Walay humba diha among isomsom. Kay kami ra magduha karon. One on one mi ani mga higala. Kumusta diha ang atong mga selebrasyon para ugma pohon? Ay mo kalimot ha nga kanang kuan? Kumusta sa atong usa ka libo nga viewers mga higala? Ano itong ipasupot usad nga lain nga awit mga higala gikan kini sa banggitan o maayong mag-aawit sa karon nga panahon. Kuan gyud ni siya kanang bag-o gyud ni siya nga kaplagan nga mag-aawit. Mao kini mga higala padayon ta sa atong tulumanon dinhi lamang sa Taytiroy page. Og babati sa 69.9 Style FM.
It all came so easy, all the loving you gave me, the feelings we shared. And I still can remember how your touch was so tender, it told me you cared. We had it once in a lifetime, but I just couldn't see until it was gone. A second once in a lifetime, maybe too much to ask, but I swear from now on, if ever you're in my arms again, this time I love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. This time will never end. Now I'm seeing clearly how I still need you near me. I still love you so. There's something between us that won't ever leave us. There's no letting go. No letting go. We had it once in a lifetime, but I just didn't know it till my life fell apart. A second once in a lifetime isn't too much to ask, 'cause I swear from the heart, if ever you're in my arms again, this time I love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. This time will never end. Never end. The best of romances deserve second chances. I'll get to you somehow, 'cause I promise now, if ever you're in my arms again, this time I love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. This time will never end. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. This time will never end.
Yes, mayong gabi pag-usab. Nagyapon ta nagpaminaw o nag-alagad gihapon kaninyo sa atong tulumanon matag Sabado, pero karon mga higala pre-special Valentine special ta karon. Salamat kayo sa atong usa ka libo nga magtatanaw mga higala. Kumusta mo ang tanan? Ikaw diha dodong, wa pa ka natog diha dodong. Hinahinay lang sa diha og ukay og unsay imong ukayonon diha. Minaw lang ta sa mga maayo og nindot kay mga sonata. Nining adlaw nga dispiras sa Valentine's Day. Nagpabilin gyapon kita nga nagtan-aw sa Taytiroy og pagminaw gyapon
I
ta
used
sa
to think that love was just a fairy tale.
69.9 Style FM.
Until that first hello, until that first smile. But if I had to do it all again, I wouldn't change the thing, 'cause this love was everlasting. Suddenly, life has new meaning to me. There's beauty up above and things we never take notice of. You wake up suddenly, you're in love. Girl, you're everything a man could want and more. 1,000 words are not enough to say what I feel inside. Holding hands as we walk along the shore. Never felt like this before. Now you're all I'm living for. Suddenly, life has new meaning to me. There's beauty up above and things we never take notice of. You wake up suddenly, you're in love. Each day I pray this love affair will last forever. Suddenly, life has new meaning to me. There's beauty up above and things we never take notice of. You wake up suddenly, you're in love. There's beauty up above and things we never take notice of. You wake up and suddenly you're in love.
Yuhuu! Salamat kaayo nimo tiyo. Tiyo tunako mga higala. Nindot tagtingog sa akong tiyo ay. Bye, pa-shout out ko diha sa akong maguwang sa bus nga si Richel Permiho Campania. Wis nako nga maayo unta sa siya sa iyang gihambin nga sakit karon. Mahita dong ato nang i-apil og pagampo na to dong. Ato nang iampo kanunay nga kuan na maayo ang taon ang sakit sa imong maguwang. Apilis pagampo dong pangamuyo og maayo. Sige lang. Happy lang ta og happy Valentine's ni mo diha, Inday Richel. Diha na sa atong yutang na tawhan. Pabilin ta nga naminaw og nagtan-aw sa atong live ni Tay Tiroy og sa 69.9 Style FM.
Woman, I will love you always, and I promise I'll give you the best, my love. You mean more than life to me, and I love you more than words can say. You'll be the only one that I love for always, forever to cherish. I want you close to me and hold you endlessly. And feel you, girl, in my arms always. Yes, you are my sunshine. You are the reason I breathe for, and there's nothing I want more. I need you. I need to have you in my life. You always by my side, now and for always. Whisper these words to me, that we would always be together. Just you and me forever. I want to spend with you, baby, my whole life through. Every moment loving you. Everything that I am, always.
Yes, 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 yo! Pa-shout out ko diha sa Davao, akong mga igtagsa, Portusan o Lasara family from Ronald, ang avid fans kayo ni Tay Tiroy. Okay, naing dalit mga higala. 69.9 Style FM.
One-sided love broke the sea so down. I gotta get around when I hear the grudge. And you went your way and I went half wild. And girl, you'll understand if your heart was mine. If we had an exchange of hearts, then you'd know why I fell apart. You'd feel the pain when the memories start. If we had an exchange of hearts, I never wished a lonely heart on you. It's not your fault, I chose to play the fool. One day may come when you'll be in my shoes. Then your heart will break and you'd feel just like I do. If we had an exchange of hearts, then you'd know why I fell apart. You'd feel the pain when the memories start. If we had an exchange of hearts, when time turns the tables, and soon I'll be able to find a new romance, and then you'll remember my love warm and tender, too late for a second chance. If we had an exchange of hearts, then you know why I fell apart. You'd feel the pain when the memories start. If we had an exchange of hearts, if we had an exchange of hearts.
Ay, salamat kayo. O, nagpabilin ta ng naminaw o nagtanaw mga higala. Ayuhag tugtog oy, pangitae ko og uyab diha. Oh, ngita ta. Naidaghan. Naidaghan kaayo. Imo ra na palitan og kuan o sa ka butilyang ilimnong makahubog wa na. Sugto na kadayon na natoy. Okay, nagpaminaw ta gyapon sa laing sonata. Taiteroy Ray Valentine Special 69.9.
I held her close to me, 'cause I know she breaks so easily. And then I told her, but I knew no matter how I tried to console her, she just do the best she could. But there are times the best is not damn good. And no matter how you try to be kind, there's always still the part of you you leave behind. When it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. I lied and told her she'd be fine, though we both knew it was just a lie. I had to do it, 'cause I'd said anything to help me get through it. Then she reached out for my hand, and the simple touch was more than I could stand. And I had to turn away, 'cause I knew all the hurt that she was feeling, I was feeling too. 'Cause when it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. She could have gotten angry and made me feel like a kitty child, but I realized I never was her style. I wanted her to hurt me and not treat me like a friend. I wanted her to say that maybe someday I come crawling on my knees to ask her back again. But she acts like a lady till the end. Oh, what a lady. I thought that she'd break out, but she smiled at me and never made a sound. And I guess she understood in a way, 'cause her silence told me everything she could not say. When it falls apart, well, there's just no easy way. There's just no easy way, and there's no easy way to break somebody's heart.
Yay! Kumusta man tang duha di aron? Happy Valentine sa tanan sa wa nakakita og nakakita mga higala. Salamat kaayo sa nagpabili natong tan-aw ni Tay Tiroy. Mga higala, Happy Valentine sa tanan. Katapusan na ni nato nga kanta. Purag lapas tag diyotay mga higala ha. Last na lang ning song. Dirig hapon sa inyong tulumanon, Tay Tiroy, pre-Valentine's special. 69, kanindot ay.
Where did my heart go? When did it
Ay,
lose
gala,
the
kasuko,
way?
pagkininag.
How did I let you slip
Og mapon,
away?
yung og mapon sa atong panag-uban.
Why is it so hard
Sa
to
puntag
say?
ato sa Australia.
Words
Kaya
that
tayo
might
tulumanon
touch
sa
you,
alas 10.
make you
alas 12.
believe that I'm
Disco,
more
sa
than it
pustong-tutong mga
seems
hingala.
that I
Kuyog isag ko sa inyo
today.
panag-uban matag ang Domingo sa ang
But I
kubkubon ta ang kagahapon.
only strength
Kuyog ko mga hingala.
that I keep
Atong ginagmay kalinawan balak o
inside.
kanta.
Now it's gonna take a while.
Para sa nagsaulog
I've got to
sa
learn to
Valentine.
smile again.
Daghan kayong salamat sa panag-uban ni Tay Tiroy o sa pagtuyog ninyo kay nako sa usa ka oras ug tunga nga panag-uyog.
Once it was
Thank you
easy.
kaayo.
I never
Daghang salamat.
had to try. I never had to say a lie. Never thought I'd see you cry, but now I know better. I've got to find a way. I don't wanna hear you inside. Now it's gonna take a while. I've got to learn to smile again. I've got to find your smile and build your heart with laughter. I don't wanna find a way to get along after you. I wanna be the man that you knew. Now it's gonna take a while. I've got to learn to smile again.
Og napupos na gyud mga higala ang atong pasundayag. Salamat kayo og maayong gabi kanatong tanan. Bye-bye og happy Valentine's Day tanang tanan.